You leave the meeting. Nothing went wrong. No one challenged you. And yet 5 minutes later, your mind starts running. Did I explain that clearly? Did I talk too much? Did I say too much? If you've ever walked out of a meeting thinking, did I say too much? You're not alone. Today, I want to talk to you about how to stop doubting yourself after every meeting. This doesn't mean you lack confidence. It means you care about doing your job well. But somewhere along the way, reflection turned into self-surveillance. You're not reviewing your performance, you're interrogating it. And that slowly erodes trust in yourself. After high visibility moments, your nervous system stays activated. Your brain scans for threats. Did I sound competent? Did I overstep? Did I expose something? So it replays the meeting, not to improve, to protect you. But your brain isn't neutral. It's a worst case narrator. Here's what this looks like at work. You contribute in the meeting, you answer questions, you move the discussion forward. Later that day, you replay one comment. You wonder if you talked too long, if others were annoyed, if you sounded unsure. But nothing actually happened. No feedback, no follow-up, no correction. The doubt didn't come from the room, it came from the replay. That's the difference. Confident professionals don't avoid reflection, they structure it. Instead of asking, what did I do wrong? They ask two questions. What worked? What would I do differently next time? That's it. No tone analysis. No mind reading, no character judgments. Reflection ends there. This week, when the replay starts, pause. Answer those two questions, then stop the loop. Growth needs structure, not self-attack. You don't need to replay your worth to earn your place in the room. You're allowed to speak, contribute, and move on. Keep showing up as the person you're becoming.